And welcome back to Noun News and Update. And today what we're going to be showing you is how to activate your portal as a returning student. You know, a lot of people, students are having issue with this how to log into their portal and all sorts. So we decided to break it down and let everyone know how to do that. As a returning student, you must know how to activate your portal by yourself. So meanwhile, before you activate your portal, this is very important. You must have your student email address active. I repeat, let your student email address be active before you can activate your portal. And for other things in Now, it is very useful. You must have your student email address. So let's dive in for what we have for you today. So the URL is nouonline.nou.edu.ng. Once you put it in a browser, it will come to this page. This is the home page of National Open University of Nigeria. So you don't have any business with any of these tabs. This is where you have the business register student. So once you click on this register student, it's going to take you to where you're going to put your matric number and continue. So let's dive into that immediately. So let's say, for instance, after you click on the register student, it's going to take you to this page. Let's say, for instance, this is your matric number. So this matric number, now you are going to put only your matric number here. I repeat, only your matric number, no password, no captcha. So after that, you come to reset password. Then once you click on reset password, it's going to take you to a page like this, where you're going to be sending a token to that your student email, which is a code. Let's do that. So the token have been sent to the student email address. I repeat, student email address. Then you just have to come here and put the token here. Let's just say we have the token now, and put the token here. After you put the token here, you click on submit. If you do not receive the token, you can click on resend token and go and check your student email address again and put the token. Please note the characters of that token. Either if you cannot copy it, just try and write it, but it's better you copy it and come and paste it here. After that, you click on submit and it will take you to another page where you're going to finalize your stuff. So let's go there. After you click on submit, this is a page it's going to show you. It's going to show you sources. Set your new password. Then you're going to set your new password here. The password you'll be using to log in and log out of the portal. So let's do that again. So right now I have set the password. I have put the password here and I confirm the password again. So this is next thing you're going to do. After that, you click on submit. Let's do that. After you click on submit, it's going to take you to this login page. So this is where you're going to log in. Now you have successfully activated your portal now. So you've activated your portal now. What you need to do is to put your matric number will be here. Then put your password. The password you just set, put that password there, and the captcha will be displayed. Let us just try it and see how it's going to look like. Then that will be next. Just stay tuned. So immediately I put the password and I'm done. This captcha shows. So this thing is just like a security on the portal. You need to put the captcha here, and there should be no space, no comma, no anything. Everything must be together. And for example, if you don't say or you don't understand this captcha, you can come to this list and reload it. The captcha will reload by itself. It will give you another one. So if you don't want it again, you can change it until maybe you're comfortable with one that is going to show you. So let's just use this one. So this is it. See how I'm going to type it. There won't be any space, no space when you are typing this. So that is how you can be able to log in. So after you put that in, you click on login, you will log into your portal. Let's do it again. So wow, congratulations, now you have logged into your portal. This is how it is being done, and I believe you enjoyed the video, and can give us a thumb up, share it to other people who are finding it difficult to log in or activate their portal right away. So from there they can be able to activate their portal and log in successfully into their portal. Then they can do other things on their portal as they wish or they like. So that is how it is. Thank you once again for staying to the end of this video. See you in our next video. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe. We have other channel. We have our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel. You can join for other updates that you might be needing as the time progresses. Thank you. Bye for now.